Hey you guys, welcome back to Mama's Touch. Today this is a Thanksgiving haul that I picked up some things. I had some other stores that I went to, but this was the only one I recorded, and this is from Walmart and Sam's Club. My daughter did this recording for me, so she didn't really explain everything that's in the video. I'm just gonna let it play out and you guys can see what I picked up. If you follow me, you know that this is the day I received some bad news about my sister friend. So I was unable to record, and my daughter helped me out and she did a brilliant job with setting all of this up. But unfortunately, she didn't record and say what I picked up and where I got it from. But if you guys always follow me, you know that I always shop at Walmart and Sam's Club. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you, and y'all stay blessed. Thanks for watching, and if you aren't subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you feeling good, hit the like button. I appreciate it. here you guys is a picture of my charcuterie board that I did for Thanksgiving. Thank you guys for watching once again. Bye.